First make slip knot, then make chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now slip stitch in the first chain to form a ring. Now work for round 1. So first make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. So these 3 chain count as double crochet. Now make 11 double crochet in this center. One double crochet, two, three, four, five. So continue up to end. It will turn total 12 double crochet including this chain. So now slip stitch in this very first double crochet stitch. Now give a knot and cut this extra yarn. Now take another yarn, give a slip knot. Now insert hook in any stitch. Now insert this yarn as a stitch. So now work for round 2. So first make 4 chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this chain 4 count as 1 treble crochet. Now make 2 treble crochet together. So wrap yarn 2 times, then insert hook in same stitch. Now pull the yarn. So go through these 2 loops and then go through these 2 loops. So here is 2 loops left. Again work same, wrap 2 yarn 2 times, then insert hook in same stitch, then pull the yarn and go through these 2 loops, then go through these 2 loops, and now go through this all 3 loops. So this is the first petal. Now make 2 chain, then repeat the same pattern. So make 3 treble crochet in this next stitch, 3 treble crochet together. So first wrap yarn 2 times, then insert hook, pull the yarn, go through these 2 loops, then go through these 2 loops. Again wrap yarn 2 times, then insert hook and pull up a loop. So go through these 2 loops and again go through these 2 loops. So again repeat this pattern, wrap yarn 2 times, insert hook, pull yarn, go through these 2 loops and go through these 2 loops. Now pull the yarn all through these loops. Make 2 chain. So continue this petal all around. So here I have completed the second round. Now make 2 chain and slip stitch in this top of stitch. Now give a knot and cut this extra yarn. So now make slip knot. Now work for round 3. So this 3 round we will make the granny square corner. So square, let's make the first square, first corner. So first insert yarn in any 2 chain space. So make 4 chain, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this is first treble crochet stitch. So make more 2 treble crochet stitch, wrap yarn 2 times, then insert hook, pull up a loop, go through these 2 loops, then again go through these 2 loops and again go through these 2 loops. So this way make another treble crochet, wrap yarn 2 times, insert hook, then pull up a loop, then go through these 2 loops, go through these 2 loops. Let's make it again. So wrap yarn 2 times, insert hook, pull up a loop, then go through these 2 loops, again go through these 2 loops and again go through these 2 loops. So this is the first stitch, first pattern to make the corner. So now to make this corner, make 2 chain. So again make 3 treble crochet in this same chain space to complete this corner. One, two, and 3. So this is the first corner. So make this straight line. So make 4 double crochet, one, two, three, and 4. So make another 4 double crochet in next. One, two, three, and 4. So this is the first corner and a straight line. So continue this whole around. So here I have completed this square. Now slip stitch in this top of this chain. Now give a knot and cut this yarn. So you can keep it like this, or also you can make border. So I'm showing how to make this border. So I'm taking yellow yarn. So give a slip knot, insert this loop in this crochet hook, then let's make single crochet in any stitch. So this is the first single crochet, and make single crochet in each stitches like this. You can use any color yarn. So here I am using soft cotton yarn. So we have finished this straight line, and now in this corner we will make 2 3 single crochet, 1 2 and 3. Then again start from stitches. So in each stitches make single crochet. So go and go like this. So complete all these stitches like this. So here I have completed all the borders. So here in this last slip stitch, in this very first single crochet, now cut, now give a knot and cut this extra yarn. You can cut this extra yarn or insert like this. And this way this granny square is completed. So thanks for watching.